Samsung is expected to introduce a great lineup of products including foldable phones and wearables next month. It will launch the Galaxy Z Flip 4, Galaxy Z Fold 4 and refreshed Galaxy Buds Pro. The South Korean firm will also take wraps off with next-gen smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch 5 and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And today their 3D turntable renders have been leaked courtesy of Heaven Blast. These renders reveal their design in high resolution and all angles. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro will be the more premium upcoming Samsung smartwatch, positioning itself as a direct descendant of the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. There's a pretty distinct difference though. The new wearable is seemingly ditching the signature rotating bezel that was used on a multitude of Samsung smartwatches the year. It allowed for some novel interface interaction solutions. Rotating the bezel left and right enables you to quickly interact with the watch without having to resort to the touchscreen itself. Useful during workouts and other use cases. In its place, Samsung is reportedly going to utilize a so-called digital bezel. This one will be an intended capacitive bezel around the display that reportedly emulates the hardware rotating bezel. There's speculation that this indentation is utilized for better finger accuracy, but it remains to be seen if hardcore Galaxy Watch fans will be hyped about this drastic design change. It is actually said to see a brand drop a unique and identifiable feature in its products. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is expected to be available in one size only, 45mm, and be noticeably thicker than last year's Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Smartwatches these days, there will be Bluetooth only and Bluetooth plus LTE versions available, and it will come in two colors, black and gray titanium. Meanwhile, the vanilla Galaxy Watch 5 codenamed Heart looks similar to the last year's Galaxy Watch 4. The regular smartwatch will reportedly come in way more colors than the more posh and premium Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, but Blast has only shared a single color version dubbed Sapphire. In terms of sizes, we expect both 40 and 44mm versions to be available again, with Bluetooth only and LTE plus Bluetooth variations up for grabs. Both Samsung watches will run on various 3.5 based on One UI 4.5 software. Both smartwatches are expected to feature circular super roller displays with Gorilla Glass protection. Do you think looking at these smartwatches, do they inspire you to buy or not? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. One, peace out.